So if I try to install TensorFlow like this using pip, I get this error that says could not find a version that satisfied the requirement TensorFlow. It is because TensorFlow does not support my Python version. So if I check my Python version, I currently have the latest Python version 3.14. And if you check the supported Python versions, it will say the supported Python versions are 3.9 to 3.12. So to get an older version of Python, go to python.org, hover over downloads and click on view full list of downloads. Here you'll see a bunch of Python versions, and I've noticed that Python 3.13 also works fine. So you don't have to just download anything between Python 3.9 or 3.12. You can just download Python 3.132. And once you've downloaded and installed an older Python version, you will need to add that to environment variables so that Python 3.13 or older is used instead of the one that you are currently using. To do that, type environment variables and click on edit environment variables in your search results. And here, double click on path. Here you'll already see the path of existing Python versions. You can delete those paths and you'll need to add the path of new Python version. And now you can go back to command prompt and check your Python version, and you will see that an older Python version is installed. If you have any confusion on how to add Python to environment variables, you can check the video in the description below. And now let's try to install TensorFlow again, and let's see if this works. This time, as you can see, it is taking quite a long time, and the download of TensorFlow has started. And we have successfully installed TensorFlow. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.